Okay, so I have another quadratic here. So I'm going to get it equal to 0. So I've got a squared plus 3a plus 2 is greater than or equal to negative 3a minus 6. I'm going to bring this over here. So a squared plus 6a plus 8 is greater than or equal to 0. Okay, so you always want to set it equal to 0 because then you can either use the quadratic formula, use the 0 product property if you can get a factor, or you could try and complete the square. Okay, I think I'm going to, just use the quadratic formula. So I'm going to use my calculator and do, let's see, my A is 1, my B is 6, my C is 8. Okay, so I'm getting to my two roots are -2 and -4. Okay, so if A were equal to -2 or -4, that would actually be a solution. Okay, so I'm going to put closed circles on -4 and -2. But since it's an inequality and not an equality, maybe some of these other numbers should work. So let's see, would -5 work? Okay, so if I do -5 squared, that's 25, plus 6 times -5 plus 8. Okay, is that true? 3. Is 3 greater than or equal to 0? It is. Okay, so I'm going to shade this area. Okay, now I'm going to try something between -4 and -2 and see if that works. So -3 squared, so that's 9, plus 6 times -3 plus 8. Is that greater than or equal to 0? Well, -1 is not greater than or equal to 0, so I'm not going to shade this area. Then I'm going to try something on this side of that boundary of -2. How about, I'll just put 0 in. 0 will make it kind of easy. So 0 squared, 0 plus 6 times 0, 0 plus 8. Is 8 greater than or equal to 0? It is. So I'm going to shade this area over here. So what's my solution? My A needs to either be less than or equal to -4, or my A value has to be greater than or equal to -2. Okay, so when you type your answer in there, make sure you use the word or in between here.